Hi YouTube. Well, gotta start this truck too. We're going to do it Dave's farm style and we gotta add a battery. Let's get the hood here. Now you can sort of see something. It's better than nothing. This thing hasn't been started for about 3 weeks or so. Hopefully it'll start again. At least it has gas, so it should. Oh, that works. Now I got my handy one size fits most wrench, which is really overkill for these little battery bolts, but it's what I have here, so it's what's going to get used. Oh, very good. It's in there. Now time to see if it starts. Got that annoying beeping, sorry for that. And but since I don't use this truck, it's not road legal yet, it's just sort of storage. Got a shitload of golf balls in here. Okay, we got rid of the beeping. That's a good sign so far. There we go. Smoking some. The parking brake light's on, not because the parking brake's on, but because I have next to no brakes in this. Need to fix the brake lines still. Yeah, foot just went to the floor. Yeah, gotta move it up forward some. Ah, shit, it's on ice. Hold on. There we go. Sunk down in the dirt a little bit, then got ice, and this thing's four-wheel drive doesn't work, so that wouldn't work if I put it in. We'll start that truck later. It's got a dead battery. We'll let this one run for a minute. Oh. This is another problem. You notice this door? It just sort of hangs there. Pin's broken off. Gotta fix that too. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.